जानते हो या हम भी दें इंट्रोडक्शन? टाइम आ गया, काम शुरू कर। रिवेंज वो पॉइजन है जो किसी के अंदर चढ़ता तो बड़ी तेजी से, लेकिन उतरते उतरते जान भी ले लेता है। I didn't have any plan.
You will never get my baby.
And I repeat, this is a coincidence. I didn't have any plan.
You will never get my baby.
And I repeat, this is a coincidence.
Right, thank you so much, team. I think we did face some technical difficulty while playing this AV, so maybe we can share with our friends from the media these AVs again. The winner in this category is for the most viewed series in the continuing category. Now, our continuing category is actually very special for us because this is a show that has been watched on ZEE5 for a continuing period of time, and it continues to be like the #1 show being watched. And this one is Cold Lassi Chicken Masala. And we have Rajiv from Cold Lassi Chicken Masala, who is with us. Is that Rajiv and his beautiful house? Oh, that is Bhavna ji. Bhavna ji, that's a beautiful house. Hi, Rajiv. Can you come? Can you start your video, please?
Yeah, I will start my video. Can you hear me?
Oh, yes. Yes, we can hear you. Thank you. Over to you, Bhavna ji. And congratulations, Rajiv.
Thank you. Thank you, Aparna.
Hi, Rajiv.
Hi, Bhavna ma'am.
How have you been?
I've been good. I've been the same, the way I've always been in the last 15, 16 years.
No, that's what I want to tell you. That, you've been working for some time now, but you really hold yourself precious. You choose your roles very intelligently, and you keep yourself relevant, whether it is on television, cinema, or now the web series. So I'm extremely proud of you and your choices.
You are kind.
I am wondering that when you did this Cold Lassi and Chicken Masala, it's a series also about food, because both of you are chefs. Yeah. And food is very seductive.
Yeah.
And food requires a lot of presentation, and food appeals. So did you feel at any time that in all the scenes that the food and the presentation was taking over the actor and the scenes? Because the food is perfect.
So I did play a chef, ma'am, but the truth is that I'm not a foodie at all. I do not get turned on by food. My wife thinks that my taste buds have died. She thinks that I can eat anything, though I love cooking. The best part is I love cooking and I love experimenting. So I have all the qualities, I think, of a chef, but I am not a foodie. So my wife is a foodie. She watches MasterChef and all that. So she knows everything about food, and she and her sister. So I think I borrowed all the presentation part and all those, the jargon also. I think I would, while I was preparing, I was getting it from them that, okay, what is this called? What is this dish called? Because if you take me to a restaurant and to a upmarket restaurant, I wouldn't know what is being served to me because I'm not interested in food at all. And here am I, who played a chef, and I think a lot goes, that means a lot of credit goes to the team, to the creative team, to the director who made me actually look like a chef, and and there was a chef working with us who helped us a lot.
But did you enjoy playing this role or no?
Absolutely. It's a different joy, actually. Yeah. To wear the chef outfit and to actually be around food. You're right. I mean, as an actor, it was a joy to work with in a different space altogether. But if you ask me that whether I genuinely got carried away with all this food frenzy happening around me, no.
No. What I meant was, that it calls for a different preparation as an actor, because it is all about getting the flurry of the activity right, the movement, the way you hold the trays. It is not it's not a histrionic character, but yet it is very.
Yeah, you're right. So actually, I did. It was more of a challenge actually to get it right, to cut the knife right while you're delivering your lines, while you're involved in emotions. And if and Dada Pradeep Sarkar shoots in a very different manner. He's a big canvas guy, so he would want the shots to happen again and again. Then he would take a close up of the food thing that is being cut, and he would throw challenges at you. Rajiv, while talking, can you break 2 eggs together? So he wanted a shot of mine where I'm actually standing with 2 eggs and have to break them in a vessel. अभी मैंने कहा दादा सीख के तो आया हूँ मैंने मेहनत की है. I know how to break 2 eggs also. I've done it at home. But now I'm conscious because now I have to say a line where I'm actually involved, and somewhere in between, very nonchalantly, just kind of break 2 eggs and thankfully I got it right in the first take itself. Unfortunately, they had to cut it because something went wrong with the long take. And I said, Dada, ek baar hota hai ya, baar mat karao. But then I think 3rd or 4th take we got it again. So yeah, it is not easy. It was very challenging.
तो ये सब खाने में जब कंसंट्रेशन हो रहा था तो रोमांस में भी हो रहा था या नहीं?
रोमांस में ज्यादा हो रहा था. रोमांस में ज्यादा हो रहा था. I think ये सब तो जो बाकी था ये तो सब physically था. I think mentally we were there and in the emotions. That is why I believe a lot of people are enjoying the chemistry. So obviously there was this chemistry.
Yes. But if I ask you that between cold lassi and chicken masala, which do you prefer? To personally,
I prefer cold lassi any day. I have a sweet tooth. Secondly, I am not much of a non-vegetarian, so cold lassi goes a lot with me.
And between cinema and web series, what do you prefer?
They are the same, ma'am. For me, right now, web series, I'll be very honest, because me for the last so many years, my approach towards my career, I think, is met with, or say, web really comes handy for me because the kind of content that I want to be part of, the kind of people that I would love to work with, the kind of technicians I would like to work with, they're all available on web with the budgets which are very similar to, say, the kind of film that I would like to be part of. So the budgets are similar, the attitude is the same, the approach is the same, the equipment is pretty much the same. And the audience is, I would say, wider. The shelf life of a web series is way more than a film. Also, it throws you more challenges because unlike a film, I realize that this is more in a space where you do not have the luxury of actually doing, say, 20 takes, which you generally get, to do in films. So as an actor also, it is very exciting to work in this web space because you're working with right people, right content, right budgets, and it doesn't age. I meet people who've seen my, let's say the last one that I did now, because somebody is the B tier or C tier cities में अभी जाता है तो they're watching it now. But sir, आपका वो show बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. So I realized that कि longer dividends,
So you're going to do more web series now?
I do not know, ma'am. I do not plan my career that way. It just depends on projects. If an interesting project comes to me from films, I will take up that one. If something very interesting comes from television, I will take up that one. If something comes from theater, I'll take that one because right from the very beginning, I believe that I'm an actor. I'm not a medium actor, that I am limited to television or film. I am an actor first, and then medium follows later.
Fabulous. Now we know why Rajiv Khandelwal is so precious and so special.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You are really kind. You've always been kind.
It's the mindset. So can we have a screenshot together?
Yes, of course.
And we can say thumbs up to ZEE5, high five on ZEE5.
Superb. High five.
On ZEE5.
High five on ZEE5.
High five on ZEE5. Thank you, Rajiv. And God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes. Can we move on to the next nomination, please?
We agree. It's never easy to make people laugh. It's possibly easy to make them angry or make them cry. But laughter most difficult. So thank you so much for making a great, lovable show. Hi, Rajiv, we have you back again, and we have a lot of your fans asking us questions. So, what is your daily workout schedule like? Ekta Jani wants to ask you. You know, you're looking so fit and fine, and always like the cool chicken masala. And
My daily workout is this. Hi everyone. Hi Padavi. Hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi Rajiv. Hi Rajiv.
Hi sir. Hi sir. So my daily workout is what nothing. Now that I'm in Goa, so I get to breathe in a lot of fresh air. So I do a lot of pranayam, yoga, just go for a little swim. We have a little pool, and do some boxing. All desi exercises, no gym exercise. Basically, it's just a normal desi exercise and good eating. I guess I get to eat a lot of organic stuff from my garden.
wow, Goa, right? I think we're all very envious of you right now. How did you end up in Goa during a lockdown, or were you always there?
No. So actually, I was going to start a project, with you guys only, and then I'd come here to kind of rejuvenate myself and go on a detox for about 7 days before I got into that project. And I just taken that 10-day break, and I came. Fortunately, I don't know. It was maybe a far-sightedness that I came with my wife, and I came with our dog. We drove down, and we were here, and then the whole lockdown thing happened, and then I said nothing better than it could have not been better. So I'm here, and I know that I think bad for everyone who is in Mumbai or other cities, but I think I am in a little better place, and situation than how others.
Of course you are.
Yeah.
We hope you're staying safe and not moving around too much. And much. Thank you so much for that. We have one more question for you, and your film Heartbeat is also on ZEE5.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Vishakha Bajaj wants to ask you, how does the perspective of a project change after becoming a producer, Rajiv sir? What did Heartbeat have to make you produce
it? It didn't change much for me because it was a short film. It wasn't a very, very big project. It was a short film. So, and because I loved the subject so much that I wanted to own the film, I didn't want to give the film to someone else. So that is the reason why I produced the film. But I wasn't participating in day-to-day activities as a producer, because I had a partner, my business partner Ajay, and Ajay was handling all that stuff, and I was just I just enjoyed the way I enjoyed on the sets as an actor.
There's another question from Gunjan, and she wants to ask you. She's saying Cold Lassi and Chicken Masala on ZEE5 has been one of the best web series of yours. Please share a memory you cherish shooting this.
Well, I just gave a memory. I spoke about an incident that happened in Cold Lassi Chicken Masala. When Dada Pradeep Sarkar, he is very demanding. I don't know whether it's about just from me or from all his actors, but he's very, very demanding, and he'll put you in a situation जो बहुत मुश्किल होती है. और अगर आप कुछ एक बार कर दो तो उन्हें लगता है कि ये किया तो थोड़ा और पीछे से करेगा क्या तू, थोड़ा और लंबा करेगा क्या तू. तो मेरा एक सीन था जिसके लिए मैंने बहुत मेहनत की थी. मुझे एक डायलॉग के साथ में इमोशनल सीन में बीच में 2 अंडे दोनों हाथ से फोड़ने थे. तो दोनों अंडे फोड़े एक शेफ की तरह से, और मैं डायलॉग भी बात कर रहा हूँ, मुझे देखना भी नहीं नीचे. ये एकदम शेफ है भैया, मास्टर शेफ है, तोड़ ही लेगा. अभी मैंने तोड़ना तो सीख लिया घर पे. अब जब वो शॉट की बात है तो कैमरा, 10 लोग आजू बाजू में, सीन की लाइंस आपके दिमाग में चल रही है, और नीचे एक पतीला पड़ा जिसके अंदर आपको 2 अंडे फोड़ने, और ऐसे बात करना बड़े कूलली की जैसे कि बड़े आप तो रोज 15 अंडे फोड़ते हैं. तो जब उन्होंने एक्शन बोला तो मैंने मारा, और पहले शॉट में 2 अंडे फूट गए. इतनी खुशी हुई मुझे, लेकिन मैं प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि मेरी एक्साइटमेंट में हाइड नहीं कर पा रहा था. वो इमोशनल सीन था, मेरा फोकस अंडे पे था कि अंडे फूट गए. एंड देन आई फंबल्ड, लाइन फंबल कर दी मैंने. उसके बाद जो 5-6 टेक हुए, उसके बाद फाइनली वी गॉट एवरीथिंग टुगेदर. That was one incident that happened which I will never forget.
Yeah, like they say, बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं, आपने बहुत अंडे तोड़े. Like, oh my God! Like, I was in fact going to ask you, कितने अंडे फोड़ने पड़े before you got a perfect take. लेकिन 2 is still an acceptable number. हमें लगा.
So they had two proper, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अंडे की क्रेट ही बोलते हैं ना, पता नहीं जो भी है, वो 24 36 पता नहीं कितने रखे हुए थे, और सब पीछे रेडी थे कि अब ये 2 अंडे और दो, फिर 2 और दो, फिर 2 और दो. दादा को मैंने बोला था कि एक तो मैं आराम से फोड़ लूंगा, आप मुझे 10 बार फोड़वा लो, मैं फोड़ूंगा, कि 2 फोड़ने, but I got it right.
Wow, nice. Arjun, there's a question for you. Arjun, is your video on? We can't.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. There's a question for you. Why don't you do Telugu films? I think there's a big fan who's an Amrutam fan and your fan. So asking you, why don't you do more Telugu?
I'd love to do. In fact, I was talking about one project just before this lockdown started. I'm not from Andhra. I've never lived in Hyderabad except for my Telugu film work, but I happen to do about 11 of them. And I love Telugu industry. I started off with Telugu films. I love the culture. I love everything about Telugu industry. So I was going to start, but thanks to lockdown, it's pushed now. I hope after the 30th again we revive, and definitely looking forward to work again.
Oh wow, that's nice. So we'll see you speaking in Telugu also very soon, and wish you all the very best, and hope you speak in Telugu on ZEE5 too. By the way, you already speak in Telugu on ZEE5 because State of Siege is available dubbed across multiple languages.
I know.
So if
But,
you want to
నాకు తెలుగు బాగా వచ్చింది, నేను మాట్లాడను తెలుగులో.
Okay, Arjun Garu, I can manage that much Telugu.
I speak. I understand also. నాకు అర్థమైంది, బాగా అర్థమైంది.
Wow. So can I request maybe someone from the Amrutam cast to say a Telugu line that Arjun can repeat?
Don't embarrass me now.
Maybe one nice line, the most popular line from Amrutam that Arjun can say for us. Maybe he can audition for his film here in front of us.
Yeah.
Are me mahal manda.
What?
No, if it is for audition, he has to come up with a difficult line. So let us put it simple.
I know. Difficult line and perform completely, huh?
Yes.
But anyways,
So,
thank you.
Yes, thank you
All
so
the best,
much.
Arjun.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Arjun. And let me check. I think there are just so many questions popping. I'm having difficulty catching up with how many there are here. Yeah, there's a question for Tejashree. Tejashree, what are you doing during quarantine?
I'm actually just enjoying the period. Very frankly, मतलब ऐसे हो रहा है कि अभी ये जो vacation मिला है, so let's enjoy. I'm watching web series, I'm cooking, I'm reading, I'm doing all the things जो shoot के वजह से नहीं करने मिल रहे.
Very nice. And we hope you're watching ZEE5. You must watch all the winning series here because they really have been loved by audiences the country, all over the country. So please do watch those also. There's one question for Girish sir. Abhijit Rajesh. Show madla favorite scene sanga. Tell us your most favorite from the show.
राजस्थान टूर फार छान होता आमचा. त्याच्यामध्ये आम्हाला खूप वेगवेगळे एक्सपिरियन्सेस मिळाले. पहिल्यांदा उंटावरची राईड स्पेशली किंवा तलावामधलं जेवण जो सगळा हे होता तो फार छान होता आणि वेगळा होता. टोटल राजस्थान टूर फारच छान गेला. मी पहिल्यांदा एक तर राजस्थानला गेलो. याच्या आधी मी राजस्थानला गेलेलो नव्हतो फॉर्च्युनेटली. त्यामुळे मला ते सगळे खूप छान वाटत होतं आणि आमची लोकेशन जी होती ती खूप छान होती. त्यामुळे आम्ही खूप छान एन्जॉय केलं. मजा आली.
We have a question now for Arjun and the rest of the team from State of Siege. What is your biggest takeaway from the series State of Siege?
Our biggest takeaway can't be, it's the audience's biggest takeaway. What do they take away from the series, Because we tried our best to do best what we could do with the subject that we were given. And I'm glad that we kind of, at least made the NSG proud in portraying portraying NSG commandos. And but at the same time, I would say that playing NSG commandos, it kind of changed our perspective towards the forces, defense forces. We always respected them. We always were very proud of it. But it was due. The honor was due to them to be given to them for the feat they achieved during 26/11 and afterwards. So, yeah, I mean, very proud to be part of the series. Very proud to play such an iconic heroic character like Colonel Sunil Sheron, who was commanding officer of the 51 Special Action Group at that time, which I played in the series. So kudos to the whole team, the actors, creative people on the team, people from Z5, Tarun Katyal, Milind, Raghav, everybody. Everyone deserves a big applause for making this series.
Thank you so much.
I think there was a takeaway for those of us who were in the media department and played characters in the media and things. There was a takeaway for us, I feel, because at that time when it happened, I was not in Bombay, even though I'm from here. Nobody really looked at it from the media's perspective, like what were journalists going through at that time. And I was very lucky to get to play Parvati, who uses it as an opportunity to badhao her career. So the takeaway, there was a huge takeaway from that character in terms of the complexity of what you're going through being a Mumbaiker, and you're using the pain of your city to, advance in your career. So it was a very funny experience. But yeah, again, as Arjun said, we're all so grateful to have been part of the show, and it's been one of the most amazing experiences. And I'm so glad that audiences are loving it as much as we loved working on it.
Surely, no wonder it is one of the most viewed series on Z5. Yes, they definitely are loving this. We have one question again from Amrutam fan. R. Malla is asking, can we expect Amrutam in Hindi with Appaji luring for pav bhaji?
God, who's answering that voice?
This discussion,
I should answer it.
discussion is making everybody very hungry.
I know, now I want pav bhaji.
अभी पाव भाजी की बात हो रही है, बहुत गलत हो रहा
Yeah.
Why not vada pav?
I think the question, the person who's asking us the question loves pav bhaji, and since we have two chefs here, two great actors playing chefs here, Girish ji, pav bhaji बना सकते हैं क्या? Lockdown का आज का special menu?
पाव भाजी बना सकता हूँ.
या और पाव भाजी अगर बनाते हैं तो क्या लड़की भी जल्दी से पट जाती है?
वो अभी डिपेंड करता है लड़की कहाँ की है.
No, that's what. No, I completely understand that the person who asked this question is not fan of Amrutam, he's fan of pav bhaji.
And Rajiv, is pav bhaji part of your healthy routine? Rajiv, are you here? Rajiv, we can't see you. We think you're trying to come, trying to get online. Yes, Rajiv, we were asking you about if you love pav bhaji, because we have someone asking us about pav bhaji here and making us all very hungry.
Pav bhaji. So my wife has been trying to make pav bhaji for the last 3-4 days. I think उसने मेरे दिमाग की भाजी बना दी है, लेकिन पाव भाजी नहीं बनी है.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, let me ask the team, because I think there is just a continuous inflow of questions and I don't know how much more time we have. So team, do we have more time, or can we wrap up? Because I'm sure everyone wants to go in their balconies and now enjoy the beautiful sunset.
And we must wrap up, please. One last question.
Sunset.
Sorry?
Sunset is over.
We must wrap up. One last question, please, Aparna.
Aparna ji, sunset तो हो गया हमारे देश में कब से.
So we are done. Can we are we done, Aparna?
Yeah, I think they want me to take one last question, and Vivek sir, you are one of the most senior persons here, and Pallavi ji, we have all we have
She's here, she's
learned,
joining.
she's joining us. Tell us about your upcoming projects, sir, and we you get a lot of social response on all the projects that you do. So tell us something about the new projects that are coming up.
Yeah, we were leaving to shoot the Kashmir Files. That's our next film, the Kashmir Files, on the genocide and why for last 70 years Kashmir, the war has never ended. The partition never ended. And we were leaving on the 16th of March. On 15th was a Sunday, so 15th night we got to know that there might be Section 144 applied. So we canceled it. And since then we have been doing song rehearsals and script readings through Zoom and these kind of things. And so we are doing those kind of things. So we were ready to shoot. And as soon as the situation improves, or when government gives go ahead, and when we understand that it's safe to shoot with new regulations and norms, I think that's the time we'll shoot. Till then, we are doing lots of creative stuff.
Wow, that's nice. And digital has all really helped us. I mean, life somehow hasn't stopped at all. Yes. Shweta, one last question for you. I think there are a lot of fans here because I'm getting messages that say, Shweta, we love you, Shweta, we love you. And I think people have loved you. I mean, not just in Tashkent Files, yes, to you too, from all of us. They have loved you in Shukranu also. So Shukranu, which is your latest film. So do you want to tell us something about that?
Sure. I think both my films, I think the Tashkent Files and Shukranu had, have been doing really very well on your platform. And I, in fact, get a lot of fan mails and a lot of comments on my post from the audience that they've been watching the film. Tashkent Files and Shukranu are very, very different films, and it's very, very different characters. Shukranu is set in the 70s during the emergency period, and it's basically about forced sterilization that my hero Divendu's character goes through, Inder's character goes through, and the consequences it has on the interpersonal relationships and other the characters in the film. तो वो बहुत ही अलग तरह की फिल्म है शुक्रानु, वो 70 के दशक में सेट है. So the look of the film and the vibe is very, very 70s. It's shot in Lucknow and Malikabad in Delhi and Bombay. And अच्छा लगता है जब एज एन एक्टर आपको अलग अलग किरदार मिलते हैं और लोग उसे प्रोत्साहित करते हैं, उससे encourage करते हैं, like करते हैं. And I'm really happy that it's both my films are doing so well on ZEE5.
Yes. Thank you so much, Shweta, and wish you all the very best for Shukranu. Hope we get to meet you on High Five with ZEE5 with Shukranu as a winner. I wish you all the best, and thank you so much. All our guests today. It's been a wonderful evening. I think we spent more than 1.5 hours together, और वक्त कैसे निकल गया पता ही नहीं चला. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for arranging this. It's amazing. Amazing experience.
Thank you so much, and good night, everyone.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all you wonderful people. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Good night. Bye.
Thank you. Good night.